Foundation, it's phonics time. We're going to start off by saying the sounds that we've learnt so far. So can you say them with me? Ch, v, w, x, y, z, z, qu, ch, sh, th, ng, a, e, I, o, and oh. We had a look at the digraph oh yesterday. I'm going to say a sound now. See if you can find it on the sound mats. A. Well done. Here it is. The digraph A. Can you find the sound ch? Ch. Fantastic. Up here. Ch. Well done. Can you find the digraph E? Where's E? Well done. There it is for tree. Can you find the digraph O? O in the middle of boat. O. Fantastic. Here it is. Can you find the sound O? The digraph O. Well done. We had a look at this sound yesterday. We're going to go ahead and read some words now using some of those digraphs. I've got my words along this side and I've got some pictures down this side. See if we can match the words to the pictures. Train. Think about where the train is. Can you point to it? Next one. Goat. Goat. And you find the goat. And the last one. Chick. Let's see if you got them right. Did you match the word to the picture? We're going to have a go at reading our tricky words now. So my turn first, then it will be your turn. My turn, he. Your turn. He. He was playing with the car. My turn, she. Your turn. She. She was brushing her hair. My turn, we. Your turn. We went to play outside. My turn, me. Your turn. Me. Look at me jump. Let's see if we can read a sentence now. Look out for those tricky words we've just been practicing. Can you find it? Well done, it's at the beginning. Which tricky word do we have here? Well done, we. Let's have a go at reading the sentence now. Use your reading finger to point to each of the words. We will go up the road. Did you spot the digraph in our sentence? Let's read it one more time. We will go up the road. We've got a new sound today. It's a digraph. So digraph is two phonemes, so two letters that work together to make one sound. Do you know what this sound is? Well done! We had a look at this sound yesterday. So why is Mrs. Katoon showing you this sound again? We're going to look at this sound today because when two O's work together, they try to trick us. They can make the sound like we had a look at yesterday, or sometimes they make the sound ooh. Can you say that with me? Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So today we're going to be looking at the sound ooh. some words that have the sound oo in them. We've got moon, goose, boot, smoothie, and spoon. What do you notice about this sound? Where does it appear in the words? That's right, it's a middle sound. Well done. So we're going to look at the sound oo today. See if we can read some oo words and write some oo words. So when we spot our digraph in a word, or in the middle of a word, we first of all check to see if it makes the sound or the oo sound. And when we blend the sounds together, we need to think about whether it sounds okay or whether it sounds like a silly word. If it sounds like a silly word, we might be using the wrong sound. So let's practice using this word. First of all, we're going to check if it makes the sound. Sound it out with me. B, t, but. Does that sound silly or does it sound real? Let's try with the oo sound now. B, oot, boot. Well done. It's the oo sound in boot. A boot on my foot. So, did you notice the way I used the sound to read the word, and then I used the oo sound to read the word? Then I can check which one sounds right. Let's have a go at reading the next oo word. Food. Food. I can't wait to eat my yummy food. Next one. Broom. I use my broom to clean the room. We're going to speed read some oo words now. All of these words have the oo sound in them. So I'm going to read them first, then you can pause the video and have a go at reading the oo words yourself. B-oot, boot. P-ool, pool. F-ood, food. T-ool, tool. Spoon, spoon. Your turn now. So you can pause the video and read those words. We're going to have a go at writing an oo word now. So I've got a picture of the moon. Let's use our sound fingers. Moon. One more time. Moon. How many sounds did you hear? How many fingers have you got? 3. Have a go at writing moon. And to check if you've got it right, let's read it. Moon. Did you write the digraph in the middle? Your teachers have found some oo objects hiding around their house. And we're going to see if we can use our sound fingers to spell each of the oo things they have found. So Mrs. Lloyd has got a hoop. Oop, hoop. Mrs. Deacon has got some tools. Tool. Let's sound it out. T-ool, tool. And then Mrs. Cartoon, I have got a pool. Let's sound it out. P-ool, pool. Have a go at writing hoop, tool, and pool in your learning book. Use your sound fingers to help you. We've got a sentence now to read. See if you can spot the oo digraph. She. That's one of our tricky words today. She has a balloon. Let's read it one more time using our reading finger. She has a balloon. Can you point to our digraph ooh in the sentence? Well done. Here it is. Miss Senior has found a balloon in her house. We're going to think of our own sentence now using this picture. So have a look at the picture. We've got the picture of the moon. And what is on the moon? A spoon. Can you hear the ooh words in my sentence? A spoon on the moon. Can you say the sentence with me? A spoon on the moon. Let's have a go at writing it now. So, I'd like you to write the sentence into your learning book. Use your sound fingers to help you. And think about those finger spaces in between each word. And then what do you need to finish your sentence with? What do we put at the end? Here's our sentence. Can you check to see if you've got it right? So your teachers have found lots of words with the ooh sound in their houses. Now we'd like you to become a detective and look for some ooh objects around your house.